So here's how you can tween in Capcut. You want to first click on new project and then add the person that you want to tween. So I'm going to add this guy right over here. And then basically what you want to do is click on it again, click on copy, and then change that to an overlay. Now you want to basically put it right under the main video. Let's get rid of this ending. And then now you want to click on edit, crop, and then just crop out, like, let's say the arm of it like that. Click on OK. And then now what you want to do is click on it again and then find cutout. Click on remove background. So now background has been removed. That is good. Let's put that right over there. Now what you want to do is click on add and then add like a stock video, a black one or a white one. So I'm going to use a black one. And then now you want to click on the first video, change that one into an overlay as well. But you want to put that ahead of the first one. And what you can do from here is click on cutout and click on remove background. Background has been removed. Alright, so now for this, what you want to do is click on the third one, which is just the arm. And then to tween this, basically add a chroma key, which is this diamond. And then right over here, let's add another one, and then we could twist it. And as you can see, it is behind the person. So you want to click on layer 2. So now it's in front of the person. Alright, that looks pretty good. And then now, let's say right here, and add another one and put it back to its original spot. And then we just end it right over there. What you want to do is actually click on edit, crop out his entire arm. Just like that. And then you can move him back where he originally was. Then what you can do from here is play around with this clip and try to make it match up. Right over here, as you can see, it is like quite disconnected. I'd add another chroma key and then, whoops, adjust it so it's not as disconnected, just like that. And there you go, as you can see.